We'll guide you through how to download and install World Edit in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. World Edit allows you to go and make changes to a world and essentially go and landscape. So we'll guide you through how you can go and get started with it as well. So what we need to do is come and close out of Minecraft. Here we are on the desktop. Now what we need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And what we need to do is go and type in World Edit, just like so. You may need to go and add in Minecraft if you're struggling to go and find it. Here we are. You can scroll down and go and read about it, but we'll be guiding you through it in this video. So what you can do is go and press Files at the top here. Go and choose the version you want. Personally, I like to go and get the most up-to-date one, which is a full release. These top ones here are betas, which should be fine, but I like to use a full release. So therefore, the most recent one here is for 1.21.4, and we can then mod load it is for Fabric. Just go and note that down and press download file by pressing the three dots. So now to go and run World Edit, we need a mod loader, and that mod loader we're going to use is called Fabric. So what we now need to do is go and search for Fabric, add Minecraft to the end as well, just to make sure we get to the right place. Add Minecraft to the end just to make sure we get to the right place, and here it is, fabricmc.net. Now what you need to do is go to the top and go and press download. Go and press download for Windows like so, it's now downloaded. And we also need to do is get the Fabric API. So we can go and click there. This will bring you back to CurseForge and we can press files. We need to make sure we get the right version here. So for the game version, we need to go and select the version that we've got World Edit for. I got it for 1.21.4. So here it is at the top. We can come to the right, press the three dots and press download file. We've now downloaded what we're going to need. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex. If you need a Minecraft server, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. Apex have got so many great features, for example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so whenever you need help, you can go and get it, from the 24/7 live chat, amongst many other things like instant setup when you get your server, automated backups, and much more. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video, check them out below. Now to go and start with the install process, what we need to do is go and open up our downloads folder. So come into your file explorer like so and come to downloads. You need to go and find World Edit. To start the install process, we need to go and open up our file explorer. So what we can do is go and right click it and press downloads, or open it up and press downloads to the left. Go and find Fabric Installer and double click on it. For the version, we need to make sure we got it for what we got World Edit for. For me, it was 1.21.4, so I can then go and press install, and it's been successfully installed. And we need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher, just like so. We can go and press close here, and then what we can do is press Java to the left and press installations at the top. Scroll down and we can go and find Fabric Loader. I'll find it for the version we got, which is 1.21.4, and press the folder icon. This opens up the installation folder. Scroll down and you need to go and find the mods folder. In here, we need to go and add in the mods. So we can come to our downloads, and then what we can do is go and drag in World Edit mod like so, and we can also go and drag in Fabric API. Then what you can do is go and hover over the right Fabric Loader if you've got multiple, press play, and the game will start. I've now got into a world. Now what we're going to do is go and get the wand. The wand is how you go and use World Edit. Open the chat and type in //wand, like so, and press enter. To go and select position 1, you left click. To select position 2, you right click. Then you can go and open up the chat, type in // and you could go and type in replace. Go and type in the block you're replacing. Then type in what you want to replace it with. In this case, I want to do it with diamond blocks like so. And as you can see, those blocks have then been replaced.